taking education outside. Buford Elementary School has several outdoor STEM labs designed for students to learn hands-on about science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. There's a fish pond, turtle habitat, and several other experimental labs where students are getting an education on the environment.
We do a lot of experimental planning in this lab, and we talk about, the needs of plants and the needs of what they have to do in order to make the plant healthy.
Students say they really like getting their hands dirty, taking care of the animals, and learning about different plants and vegetables.
I learned that the worms will help the soil to other plants can grow, and the plants and trees help the oxygen so we can breathe better in our school.
You have to be very careful when you plant and feed the animals because you have to take very good care of them if you want them to survive out here.
The kids really enjoy feeding the turtles worms and tomatoes they grow and learning how to identify if the turtles are male or female.
The patterns, girl or boy. Boy's kind of curvy and girl is flat.
I like the turtles, the turtle nest, because you get to see all the turtles and I like to feed them.
Clemson University Extension also comes at least twice a month to work with the students. The group educates young people about agriculture, food, natural resources, and more.
We're talking about water runoff into our lab, what's being contaminated, what can we do about it, to where we have worm bins and also composting bins.
The school encourages students in all grade levels to get involved with the interactive labs.
We're hoping they will learn a conservation of nature and taking care of an environment and how to promote the growth and farming that goes on in Beaufort County and see exactly where these plants started and how they produce and what goes from there.
Several teachers at the school are also certified as master naturalists. At Buford Elementary School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.